I have not been sleeping well lately. Christmas stressed me out. It was a season of celebration. It was a season of love. It was a season of, family members coming home to unite with other family members. But my own really, really stressed me out. Like, I have been resting since morning. I woke up, did small things, and I rested. I started to vlog because I've not carried this camera this year. I think I've not vlogged this year. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Hello, beautiful people. I forgot that. So happy new year, everybody. I told you in my last video that it should be in a separate video. This is a vlog. So I told you guys that this your baby girl is going to transform. You guys thought I was joking. We are going to do the transition now, like right now. And before I do the transition, my sister-in-law fed me. In fact, my sister-in-law made me eat a lot last year. Today is 3rd of January 2025. My sister-in-law made me eat a lot. See, I am so fat. See my hand. See my face. So fat. Like, she made me eat in the morning, eat in the afternoon, eat in the evening. Like, can your sister-in-law ever? Sister-in-law like no other. In fact, what are you going to eat this morning? What are we eating this morning? Me that doesn't like breakfast, I have been eating. Even she left on the 31st. From that 1st to 3rd, I have been eating. Like, see my cheek. So fat. So fat. I don't fat too much. Please, let me go back to my normal life. Like, I don't. In fact, I'm tired. I don't want to be fat too much. All right. So let's talk about the transitioning. Guys, I'm going to shock you right now. Ta-da! You guys, I cut my hair yesterday evening. I am now on my baby. So I am now on low cut. So this is the start of a new vlog. This is the face you're going to be seeing from time to time. I am now... It's not too bright, but I am now on my baby. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. See what I'm looking at myself. I look like Onwa baby. Alright, Onwa baby. So I'll catch up with you guys later. I just set fire outside. I want to dry our fish this afternoon. It's already afternoon. I want to unbox this item, but not in this video. This is a vlog. It will be in a separate video, but I'm very sure that video will go up before this one. I don't know which one, but that video should go up before this one. But I'm going to cover my hair. Guys, I went to check my birds and they don't have feed, so I want to boil 2 cups of rice for them. You get, so they've not eaten since morning. You get, so I just want to boil 2 cups of rice for them. I know it sounds weird, but I don't have choice. I don't know what to do. They have to eat. All right, so I'm using my tripod. So the time now is 4. You guys, this is the rice for the birds. I did not wash it, though this rice was given to me by my family members during the Christmas. So since I have rice, I decided to cook this one for my birds. I don't know what else to do. I did not wash it. I just poured 2 cups of rice into this pot and then allowed it to boil. It's for animals, it's for birds, all right? It's not for human beings. So yeah, I'll just allow the rice to dry up and then go feed my birds. Instead of the birds to be hungry, I don't know what else to do. I don't have physical cash right now for me to go buy feed for them. So I decided to boil this rice and then I'll allow it to get cold before I'll feed them. I know it's weird. I know some of you will come for me in the comment section. That's how will I boil rice for fowl? It is not my fault, please pardon me. Not like I want to boil rice for fowl, but let me just do this because you see, if you can pay attention very well, they are making noise since morning. They have been, using their beak to pick. Is it to pick the pen or what? I don't know. So right now, I want to add this jollof, party jollof. Should I add party jollof? Let's go watch them eat, guys. They are already shaking, like they are already scattering the pen. They saw me and they're like, wee, 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 wee. You know how hungry people behave. That's how they are behaving right now. So I don't know the spot I'm going to keep you people. Guys, that's why for taking my bed. So God, I looked up, looked down, looked left, right, center, everywhere. I don't know what to do. I said, okay, they gave me rice. I don't even like that rice because I felt that the rice will have stone in it, so I decided to keep it. If I see anybody that I don't know, so something in me told me to just boil 2 cups of rice for the birds, which is what I did. It is well. In fact, they are angry. Anyways, thank God for the wisdom God gave to me. That's for taking my beds. I'll try and buy their feet tomorrow.